Welcome to in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's just first launch the Play Store application, and here in the search we'll enter green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your device. After that, open the app, click Enable in Settings, and near the green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, then tap to activate and go back. Here click to the switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, and let's go, for example, here into the app search to see the look of our new device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.